In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get email address on Podia. If you want to view or download the email addresses of your audience, subscribers, or customers in Podia, the process is pretty straightforward. You can either look through contact details inside your dashboard or export your audience into a CSV file for easier sorting and review. To begin, head to your Podia home dashboard. This is your main starting point, and from here you'll be able to access the account settings and audience tools you need. Once you're on the dashboard, click on your Podia account name. This opens the menu where admin and account level options are available. From that drop-down, select admin. This takes you into the back-end area where you can manage people and account data more directly. After that, click on audience. In this section, you'll see the people connected to your Podia account, including subscribers and customers. If your goal is to export all available email addresses at once, look for the Select All checkbox on the left side next to the total number of people displayed and check it. This makes sure you're applying the next action to the full list currently shown. Next, click on Actions. A menu will appear with a few options related to the selected contacts. From that menu, click Export. Then, in the next prompt, click Export People. At that point, Podia will prepare your audience data as a CSV spreadsheet. This file is useful if you want to review email addresses in a spreadsheet program, organize your contacts, or keep a backup of your audience data. One quick tip: before exporting, make sure you're in the correct audience view if you've applied any filters, since that can affect which people are included in the export. And because this file may contain private customer information, be sure to store it securely and handle it carefully. And that's how to get email addresses on Podia.